and little animals too. Everybody's dancing, dancing with each other. I am a cow, moo, moo. And here's my friend the duck, quack, quack, quack. I swing my tail, whoosh. The duck likes to bounce. We love to dance together, boogie, boogie down. Yeah. Big, big animals and little animals too. Everybody's dancing, dancing with each other. I am a big bear, roar, roar. Here's my friend the mouse, squeak, squeak, squeak. I wave my furry arms and the mouse taps their toes. Make a big circle, wow. Round and round we go. Whee! Big, big animals and little animals too. Everybody's dancing, dancing with each other. Break it down. Aw, yeah. Look, more animals dancing with each other. I am a pig. Oink, oink. My best friend is a chicken. Cluck, cluck, cluck. I shake my hips. She flutters her wings. It makes us really happy. Yeah. Let's do it again. Woohoo! Big, big animals and little animals too. Everybody's dancing, dancing with each other. 1, 2, 3, go. I am a horse. Neigh, neigh. And here's a little lamb. Baa, baa, baa. I stomp my feet. Stomp, stomp. They hop to the beat. Hop, hop. I am tall, they are short. It's so much fun, let's dance some more. Big, big animals and little animals too. Everybody's dancing and they want to dance with you. Woo-hoo! Big, big animals and little animals too. Everybody's dancing, dancing with each other.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a lamb, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here cluck, there cluck, everywhere cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
We're going on a hayride.
We're going on a hayride?
Let's hop aboard the tractor.
We're all aboard the tractor.
We're not scared.
We're not scared.
Look at those bees. Buzz, buzz.
In the corn stalks.
Can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go under it.
You can't go under
Just
it.
gonna have to go through it.
Just gonna have to go through it.
Buzz, buzz, buzz. Swish, swish, swish. We're going on a hayride.
Going on a hayride.
We're all aboard the tractor.
The scarecrow's a distractor.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared either.
Whoa, a bunch of pigs.
Oink, oink. In a mud puddle.
Can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Gonna have to drive through it.
Gonna have to drive through it.
Oink, oink, oink. Slosh, slosh, slosh. We're going on a hayride.
We're going on a hayride.
Tractor wheels are muddy.
Tractor's driving funny.
We're not scared.
We're not scared.
Oh, look, horses and hay. Nay, nay. Can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Gonna have to go through it.
Gonna have to go through it.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, nay, nay. We're going on a hayride.
We're going on a hayride.
Let's wave to the horses. Nay, nay, nay. What's up next?
Let's see what's next.
What now? Cows.
Moo, moo.
We can't go over them.
We can't go over them.
We can't go under them.
We can't go under them.
Gonna have to give them a snack.
Gonna have to give them a snack.
Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. We're getting to the big barn.
We're getting to the big barn.
The sun is surely setting.
The sun is going down.
We're not scared.
We're not scared.
It sure is getting dark out here.
Let's head home.
Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Quickly back past the cows. Moo, moo, moo. Speeding through the hay. Nay, nay, nay. Slashing through the mud. Oink, oink, oink. Through the tall corn stalks. Swish, swish, swish. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Into the house.
Close the door.
Safe at home.
Come on, everybody! Let's go down on the farm! Down on the farm, down on the farm. We have so much fun down on the farm. Look, there's a cow. Can you count her spots? She's black and white and says moo! She likes eating grass a lot. Down on the farm, down on the farm. We have so much fun down on the farm. Look, there's a sheep. What color is his wool? He's fluffy, soft, and he says bah! Isn't he so cool? Yeah! So many animals, so much to do. I love life on the farm. Don't you love it too? So many animals, so much to do. I love life on the farm. Don't you love it too? Down on the farm, down on the farm. We have so much fun down on the farm. Look, there's a hen with yellow little chicks. They cluck and peep around the pen. They're as cute as it gets. Down on the farm, down on the farm. We have so much fun down on the farm. Look, there's a horse. She's black and runs so fast. She whinnies while she bucks and plays. Would you look at that? Down on the farm, down on the farm. We have so much fun down on the farm. So many animals, so much to do. I love life on the farm. Don't you love it too? So many animals, so much to do. I love life on the farm. Don't you love it too? Down on the farm, down on the farm. We have so much fun down on the farm. Look, there's a pig. He's laying in the mud. He oinks and splashes all around. It looks kind of fun. I wanna try. Down on the farm, down on the farm. We have so much fun down on the farm. Look, there's a duck out swimming on the lake. He flaps his wings and says quack, quack. This day is pretty great. So many animals, so much to do. I love life on the farm. Don't you love it too? So many animals, so much to do. I love life on the farm. Don't you love it too? Don't you love it too?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Wrong heads. Can you match the farm animal's head to its body? Ant. Bee. Bird. Butterfly. Chicken. Cow. Deer. Duck. frog, goat, horse, owl, pig, rabbit, rooster, sheep, snail, squirrel, turkey. Farm animal spelling. This is a cow. Do you know what letter cow starts with? K-ow. Great job. Cow starts with C. This is a pig. Do you know what letter pig starts with? P-ig. Right again. Pig starts with P. This is a goat. Do you know what letter goat starts with? G-oat. Good job. Goat starts with G. This is a horse. Do you know what letter horse starts with? Horse. Good guess. Horse starts with H. This is an owl. What letter does owl start with? Owl. That was a tough one. Owl starts with O. This is a frog. Do you know what letter frog starts with? Frog. Good job. Frog starts with F. This is a dog. Do you know what letter dog starts with? D-og. Great job. Dog starts with D. This is a cat. What letter does cat start with? K-at. You're good at this. Cat starts with C. This is a duck. Do you know what letter duck starts with? D-uck. Good job. Duck starts with D.
The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes a wife, the farmer takes a wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes a wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Can you piece these animals together? Giraffe, Cow. Monkey. Sheep. Duck. Elephant. Snake. Hippopotamus. Chicken. Tiger. Horse.
farm he had some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks. E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some pigs. E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Which animal is bigger and which is smaller? Duck and cow. Dog and frog. Bird and cat. Rabbit and bee. Owl and sheep. Frog and chicken. Mouse and rabbit. Cow and sheep. Cat and dog.
Let's all go down to the farm, look into the wooden barn, wonder how many friends we will make. And the chickens go cluck, 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 down in the farm. Let's all go down to the farm, look into the wooden barn, wonder how many friends we will make. And the chickens go cluck, 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 and the pigs go oink, 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 down in the farm. Let's all go down to the farm, Look into the wooden barn, wonder how many friends we will make. And the chickens go cluck, 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 cluck. And the pigs go oink, oink, oink. And the cows go moo, moo, moo. Down in the farm, let's all go down to the farm. Look into the wooden barn, wonder how many friends we will make. And the chickens go cluck, 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 cluck. And the pigs go oink, oink, oink. And the cows go moo, moo, moo. And the sheep go ba, ba, ba. Down in the farm, let's all go down to the farm. Look into the wooden barn, wonder how many friends we will make. And the chickens go cluck, 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 cluck. And the pigs go oink, oink, oink. And the cows go moo, moo, moo. And the sheep go ba, ba, ba. And the horses go neigh, neigh, neigh. Down in the farm, let's all go down to the farm. Look into the wooden barn, wonder how many friends we will make. And the chickens go cluck, 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 cluck. And the pigs go oink, oink, oink. And the cows go moo, moo, moo. And the sheep go ba, ba, ba. And the horses go neigh, neigh, neigh. And the dogs go woof, woof, woof. Down in the farm, let's all go down to the farm. Look into the wooden barn, wonder how many friends we will make. And the chickens go cluck, 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 cluck. And the pigs go oink, oink, oink. And the cows go moo, moo, moo. And the sheep go ba, ba, ba. And the horses go neigh, neigh, neigh. And the dogs go woof, woof, woof. And the crows go caw, caw, caw. Down in the farm, let's all go down to the farm. Look into the wooden barn, wonder how many friends we will make. And the chickens go cluck, 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 cluck. And the pigs go oink, oink, oink. And the cows go moo, moo, moo. And the sheep go ba, ba, ba. And the horses go neigh, neigh, neigh. And the dogs go woof, woof, woof. And the crows go caw, caw, caw. And the ducks go quack, quack, quack. Down in the farm, let's all go down to the farm. Look into the wooden barn, wonder how many friends we will make. And the chickens go cluck, 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 cluck. And the pigs go oink, oink, oink. And the cows go moo, moo, moo. And the sheep go ba, ba, ba. And the horses go neigh, neigh, neigh. And the dogs go woof, woof, woof. And the crows go caw, caw, caw. And the ducks go quack, quack, quack. And the owls go twit, too. Down in the farm, let's all go down to the farm. Look into the wooden barn, wonder how many friends we will make. And the chickens go cluck, 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 cluck. And the pigs go oink, oink, oink. And the cows go moo, moo, moo. And the sheep go ba, ba, ba. And the horses go neigh, neigh, neigh. And the dogs go woof, woof, woof. And the crows go caw, caw, caw. And the ducks go quack, quack, quack. And the owls go twit, too. And the bees go buzz, buzz, buzz. Down in the farm, let's all go down to the farm. Look into the wooden barn, wonder how many friends we will make. And the chickens go cluck, 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 cluck. And the pigs go oink, oink, oink. And the cows go moo, moo, moo. And the sheep go ba, ba, ba. And the horses go neigh, neigh, neigh. And the dogs go woof, woof, woof. And the crows go caw, caw, caw. And the ducks go quack, quack, quack. And the owls go twit, too. And the bees go buzz, buzz, buzz. And the cats go meow, meow, meow. Down in the farm, let's all go down to the farm. Look into the wooden barn, wonder how many friends we will make. And the chickens go cluck, 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 cluck. And the pigs go oink, oink, oink. And the cows go moo, moo, moo. And the sheep go ba, ba, ba. And the horses go neigh, neigh, neigh. And the dogs go woof, woof, woof. And the crows go caw, caw, caw. And the ducks go quack, quack, quack. And the owls go twit, too. And the bees go buzz, buzz, buzz. And the cats go meow, meow, meow. And the goats go down in the farm.
The ocean is big and full of fun creatures. Can you help me find the different ocean animals? Where's the clownfish? Great job! You found the clownfish. Where's the crab? Good work! You found the crab. Where's the eel? Great! You found the eel. Where is the lobster? Good job! You found the lobster. Where is the octopus? Great job! You found the octopus. Where is the seahorse? Way to go finding the seahorse. Where is the shark? Great job! You found the shark. Where's the starfish? Good job finding the starfish. Where is the turtle? You found the turtle. Last one. Where's the whale? Great job! You found the whale. Look at how full our ocean is. Thanks for your help finding all the animals. The farm is big and full of fun creatures. Can you help me find the different farm animals? Where's the cow? Great job! You found the cow. Where's the chicken? Good job again! You found the chicken. Where is the sheep? Good work finding the sheep. Where's the rabbit? Good job! You found the rabbit. Where's the pig? Great job! You found the pig. Where's the dog? Good job! You found the dog. Where's the goat? Great job! You found the goat. Where's the frog? Good job! You found the frog. Where's the duck? Good job finding the duck. Last one. Where's the horse? Great job! You found the horse. Look at how full our farm is. Thanks for your help finding all the animals. There are lots of different animals that you can have as a pet. Can you help me find the pets? Where's the dog? Great job! You found the dog. Where is the rabbit? You're right! There's the rabbit. Where's the turtle? Good work! You found the turtle. Where's the fish? Great job finding the fish. Where is the cat? There it is! You found the cat! Where's the lizard? Right again! You found the lizard! Where's the hamster? Excellent! There's the hamster! Last one! Where's the bird? Great job! You found the bird! We've got so many pets! Thanks for your help finding all of them.
If you see a cat and you want to be its friend, say meow meow and the cat will understand. Say meow meow and the cat will be your friend. If you see a dog and you want to be its friend, say bark bark and the dog will understand. Say bark bark and the dog will be your friend. If you see a pig and you want to be its friend, say oink oink and the pig will understand. Say oink oink and the pig will be your friend. If you see a cow and you want to be its friend, say moo moo and the cow will understand. Say moo moo and the cow will be your friend. If you see a sheep and you want to be its friend, say ba ba and the sheep will understand. Say ba ba and the sheep will be your friend. If you see an owl and you want to be its friend, say hoot hoot and the owl will understand. Say hoot hoot and the owl will be your friend. If you see a duck and you want to be its friend, say quack quack and the duck will understand. Say quack quack and the duck will be your friend. If you see a bird and you want to be its friend, say tweet tweet and the bird will understand. Say tweet tweet and the bird will be your friend.
Farm animal facts for kids. Cow. Cows have friends like people do. They're very social and like to hang out in herds of their other favorite cows. Cows only have bottom teeth. The average cow chews 50 times per minute, and they usually eat for 8 hours a day. That's a lot of chewing. Pig. There are around 2 billion pigs in the world. Pigs are very intelligent and have an excellent sense of smell. They use their snouts to find food and sense the world around them. Pigs can't sweat very much, which is why they like to roll in the mud. It's the best way for them to cool down. An adult pig can run almost 11 miles per hour. That means they can run a mile in 7 minutes. Cat. The average cat sleeps 16 to 18 hours per day. Cats have 5 toes on each front paw, but only 4 toes on their back paws. Cats can jump up to 6 times their height, and they use their tail to help them balance while jumping or walking along ledges. Cats Cats have an extra organ that gives them the ability to taste scents on the air. That's why your cat might stare at you with their mouth open sometimes. Rabbit. More than half the world's rabbits live in North America. A rabbit's ears can be as long as 10 centimeters. That's 4 inches. Rabbits live for about 10 years. Rabbits reproduce very quickly, and their babies are born with their eyes closed and without any fur. Dog. Dogs are very smart. They can understand the same number of words and gestures as a 2-year-old child. Dogs use their whiskers to help them understand the world and to see better at night. A dog's sense of smell is 1,000,000 times better than a human's. Dogs can even use their sense of smell to tell how a human is feeling. For example, if you're nervous and start to sweat, your dog can tell. Sometimes dogs can sense when someone is sick or pregnant. Goat. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated. In the Near East, they were domesticated about 11,000 years ago. There were goats brought to America on the Mayflower in 1620. Just like cows, goats only have bottom teeth. Abraham Lincoln loved goats. While he was president, goats were some of the animals he brought to live at the White House. Duck. Ducks are mostly aquatic birds that live near both fresh and salt water. Ducks live on every continent except Antarctica. Because they spend so much time in the water, ducks have highly waterproof feathers and webbed feet. A duck's webbed feet don't have any nerves or blood vessels, so they can't feel the cold. It's pretty useful for living in frigid climates. Sheep. There are over 1 billion sheep in the world. Sheep are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. A sheep's fur is made of wool, and lots of humans use that wool to make clothes and other textiles. Sheep have very good memories. They can remember at least 50 individual sheep and humans for years. Chicken. Chickens can learn who you are too. They can remember up to 100 faces. Chickens have different kinds of clucks, which they use to alert other chickens and let them know what kind of danger is coming. Chickens start communicating with each other before they are even hatched. Mother hens will talk to their chickens while in their eggs, and the chickens will reply. The chicken is the closest living relative to the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Horse. Horses live to be about 25 years old. They have 205 bones in their skeleton. That's 1 less bone than a human has. Horses have bigger eyes than any other land mammal. Baby horses can walk and run just a few hours after being born. Cat. Chicken. Cow. Dog. Donkey. Duck. Goat. Horse. Owl. Pig. And sheep. Ant. Bee. Bird. Butterfly. Caterpillar. Chicken. Cow. Deer. Duck. Frog. Goat. Horse. Mouse. Owl. Pig. Rabbit. Rooster. Sheep. Snail. Squirrel. Turkey. Farm animal spelling. There are so many awesome farm animals. Let's learn how to spell their names. Cat. Cat has 3 letters. What's the first letter? K. At. That's right. The first letter is a C. What's the next letter in cat? Great job! It's an A. One more letter. What is it? Cat. Way to go! It's a T. C-A-T spells cat. Pig. Pig has 3 letters. What's the first one? Egg. That's right, the first letter is P. What's the next letter in pig? Great job! It's I. One more letter. What is it? Pig. Way to go! It's a G. P-I-G spells pig. Duck. Duck has 4 letters. What's the first letter? D-uck. That's right, it's a D. What's the next letter in duck? Great job! It's a U. The last 2 letters work together to make one sound. K. Do you know the 2 letters that make this sound? Duck. Way to go! It's C-K. D-U-C-K spells duck. Cow. Cow has 3 letters too. What's the first letter? K. Ow. That's right, the first letter is C. What's the next letter in cow? Great job! It's O. One last letter. What is it? Cow. Way to go! It's a W. C-O-W spells cow. Dog. Dog has 3 letters. What's the first letter? D. Og. That's right, the first letter is D. What's the next letter in dog? Great job! It's O. One more letter. What is it? Dog. Way to go! It's a G. D-O-G spells dog. Goat. Goat has 4 letters. What's the first letter? G-oat. That's right. The first letter is G. The second 2 letters work together to make one sound. Goat. Do you know the 2 letters that make this sound? Great job! It's O and A. One last letter. What is it? Goat. Way to go! It's a T. G-O-A-T spells goat. Great job spelling all the animal names.